Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the settings icon if it's missing on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to check is the app drawer, just to see if it is in there. To do that, you're going to swipe up and you'll be able to see all of the apps on your Android phone. Now, make sure to open up any kind of folder to see if it's in folders. Or you can just tap on the search bar and we can search for the settings app. But you can see it doesn't pop up with the settings app and it's still missing even from the app drawer. There are a couple different other places we're going to look to be able to get it back. Now, to be able to get this back, we need to get into your settings and change a couple things, which of course sounds a little bit strange because you can't find the settings. But there are two different places that we can access it even without the app. The first one is the app drawer. We can swipe up and you can see search here. Oh, let me go back. Search, and then to the right of it are three dots. Tap on those three dots and then you can tap on settings. If you don't see that or you want another option, you can also just swipe down from the top right. You can see a gear icon at the very top right for your settings. You can tap on that and it will bring you into your settings. So the settings is still on your phone, but let's bring it back. The first place that I would recommend checking is to scroll down until you get to home screen and tap on that. Now from the home screen, if I scroll down, you can see hide apps on home and app screen. If I tap on that, settings might have been under a hidden app. So if I remove that and hit done, you can see now I can swipe up and there is my settings icon. However, if this doesn't work for you or it doesn't fix it, let's do a couple other things. Let's go back into your settings, and from here we can do a couple other things as well. Let's go back out here to the very beginning, and then let's scroll down until we get to apps and tap on that. Once you're in the apps within your settings, let's go to the settings app. So scroll all the way down until we get to the S section and tap on settings here. So there's lots of them. There's settings. Now on here, you can see disable. If this is disabled, of course, it won't work on your phone. So you need to enable it. However, in my case, that's not an issue. But what I am going to do is hit force stop. And then after I've done that, I'm going to swipe down and tap on the settings or gear icon again. And then scroll down to apps and then scroll down to settings again. So after we force stopped it, let's go back into here and we are going to tap on storage and we're going to clear the cache and then clear the data. Essentially, this helps to, again, just reset that settings app so that it's working normally for you. If you still can't find it, you can always swipe up and look for it in the app library. But if it's not showing up, again, we can swipe down from the top right and tap on that gear icon. And from here, we are going to try to reset your home screen layout. So search for reset home screen and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options to reset your home screen layout on here, and I can tap on here and I can choose to have home screen only or home screen apps. Make sure the app screen is selected and you're going to find to see if there's an option to reset it. Some Android phones have ability to reset it, some don't. So if you're not able to see anything that lets you reset it, unfortunately there's no way to do it on that. But then the last thing I would recommend doing is restarting your phone. So just press and hold the volume down and side button here. And then from here, press those at the same time. Just tap on restart and then restart your phone. And that settings icon should be back. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.